based in Lydney in Gloucestershire in the UK. Family run business, and ferrous and non-ferrous. We've been doing it for many years, through the generations, originally my father, and then last 10 to 12 years, myself and my sister took it on, and we've kind of just invested in the business and the site to bring it forward. And more recently, my son's joined the business, which is now the third generation. Like I say, going back onto the investment and improvement to the site is here we are with TAURUS. We'd go back to saying that it's the biggest investment we've made as a family business in the TAURUS machine. Markets we deal with is UK steelworks and foundries, but also we do the export and the ship materials. The TAURUS shear gives us this opportunity to the density we can achieve with it, and also the shortcuts we can achieve with it, and also we can do the bale process to the ELVs, which then we can send to India and further afield, depending where the market price is at. 5 years ago, we started looking at updating our original TAURUS shear baler we had. 20 years old, that machine, so it just showed how long these machines last for, which is sort of persuaded us to have another look at TAURUS. We came across the TAURUS RH11 electric one. It did me looking at putting in a new electric supply onto site, but also the fact that it was just going to be less maintenance, which then we can concentrate on servicing and keeping the actual TAURUS moving parts and components maintained a lot easier. It's the RAPID one, which as well, it's also got it's already comes with a steel base, which I was quite pleasantly surprised when it was delivered, and I was wondering where all the other parts were, and it was literally put together in a few days. And surprisingly, it took me longer to put the electric supply together, a lot longer than it did to put the actual TAURUS together. It's got 3 rams on each wing and the overstroke system, which is really good for compressing the material. So then you've got better compression for it to feed through the throats, and you've got less wear on the actual throat when the material comes out. We've also got sort of the 2 rams on the shear, which gives you that balanced cut when it comes down. It just does exactly what it says it can do. And tonnage wise, we can vary depending density and length of our cut, so that we can get up to 35 tonne an hour. When we had the plans ready to get the machine ordered and brought into site, we had an area on site ready that we knew was going to be just right for it, where we knew we could feed it, because we've got the wings and the shear, and we also went with the loading hopper on the TAURUS as well, so that just covers every different material we want to load through the machine. We've got the position that we can load from both sides if we want to.
Basically, we've had 2 balers before, 2 baler shears, and none of them have been as good as this when it comes to processing metals, baling. Yeah, it's all very fast, like twice as fast as some of the balers we've had. So you're processing a lot more metal in the day, getting rid of a lot more, bringing more money into the business. You've got different mode settings on it, so you can cut your scrap at different lengths, anything up to 1 meter, even further. Yeah, very good machine at cutting. You can put anything through it and it seems to cut it. By 90% of the metals here, it will cut straight through. It's Wi-Fi enabled as well, so you can plug your internet into it. And even from over there in Italy, put it into the system, compute it all through, and they can find out the errors. Yeah, the controller for sure, it's definitely been very good and very easy to use.
One of the main things when we bought TAURUS was the fact that we need a backup and service. We know we'd eventually need at some point with these machines, which is hassles in the UK, when they're always on the end of the phone if you need them, and always there. They can give you advice or any help possible, and if they can't, you've still got TAURUS. They're on the end of the phone if you ever need them, and you can also connect the telematics on the machine. TAURUS can tell you if there's something wrong with the machine before you even notice.